The daily code snippet. To begin a table, we start with a table element. The entire contents of the table is enclosed by the table opening tag and the table closing tag. To create a table cell, we enclose the cell contents within a TD opening tag and a /TD closing tag. TD stands for table data. So if our row consists of 3 cells, we will copy the TD element 2 more times. It will look like this. Table data elements comprise a row, and they will align horizontally. When we want to create a second row with another 3 data cells, we will use the table row element TR opening tag and /TR closing tag to identify each row. It will look like this. Don't forget to enclose your data in the table element. Would display as. Presented by Designers Learn Code.